The end of time, the story of the arrival of Dajjal and the return of Jesus to defeat him. In Islamic eschatology, Dajjal is an individual who will appear at the end of times as a false messiah. He will bring chaos and destruction to the world, deceiving people with his miraculous powers and claiming to be God. His arrival is considered a major sign of the end times, and he is believed to have one eye, with the other eye being blind. Dajjal will emerge from the east and begin to travel the world, spreading his message of corruption and performing miracles that will lead people astray from the true path of Islam. He will claim to be God and demand worship from his followers. He will have the power to control the weather and create illusions, such as bringing dead people back to life and causing rain to fall. It is said that he will stay on earth for a total of 40 days. The first day will be like a year, the second day will be like a month, the third will be like a week, and the remaining days will pass at their normal rate. Dajjal will continue to travel the world and spread chaos and destruction, causing many people to believe in him as the true Messiah. However, true believers will recognize him as an impostor and refuse to follow him. Eventually, the true Messiah will return to the world and confront the Dajjal, defeating him and restoring peace and justice to the world. After Dajjal is defeated, peace and